Hello folks, Paul from BlackHillsGear. I'm going to show you a quick installation procedure to put on the BlackHillsGear Mad Wrap. Have your can on your gun already. About a 1/16 inch down from the top so you don't wear it when you're running around your side by side, your barrel down. Start with any of the straps, put them on lightly first time. Seam on the bottom of your gun. Keep the heat from coming out of the top. Then go back through and tighten up all three of your straps a second time. Maybe even a third time. After it breaks in, this seam will come completely together. You'll actually think it's too large, but that's alright if it wads up a little on the bottom. Heat comes out of the top, 1/16 inch down from the top of the can. When you're riding your side-by-sides and whatnot, you won't rub the edges. Majority of your heat is in the middle 2/3 of a can anyway, 400 to 600 degrees. There it is installed. We are getting ready to go slay some hogs because it's Aporkalypse 2018.
Amen, brother.
Yeah!